Very good morning and good evening, everyone. Welcome to the ISS Combo batch. So now we'll see the demo session of IICS Combo online training. So you all might heard about Informatica or Informatica IICS. That's why you have joined here, right? You all know what is Informatica, what is Informatica IICS. Many of you, right? Still, if some of you not aware, we'll see that also. Okay. So we'll see the demonstration of Informatica IICS combo training. What is combo? So it might be looking like a new word, right? In the Informatica trainings. Normally, you might see Informatica PowerCenter training. You might be seeing Informatica IICS training. But why we are calling as Informatica IICS combo training? Right? So Informatica IICS combo training means we are going to see some more compared to the normal trainings, whatever the common trainings available, right? So we are going to add more with Informatica IICS. So whether it is possible or it is logical or it is practical, that we will see everything. And what are the flavors we are going to add along with this Informatica IICS. Okay. So we will see that, and after some, I will explain this about for some 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you can ask your questions, okay, based on your experiences, whether you are suitable for this training or not. It is not that everyone will be suitable for the training based on your previous qualification or whatever your experience. Based on that, I will suggest. Based on that, you can take your decision so that you can go through the training or not. You can able to take a clear decision, right? So hope my voice is very clear. Am I audible, everyone? Hope, yeah.
Yes, available.
Thank you. Fine. So, what is this ISS combo training? Today we'll see that 15 to 20 minutes. I'll just explain on that so that you can able to understand why we are calling as ISS combo training, right? Yeah. So myself, Hari, I have 14 plus years of experience in Informatica, Azure, SAP boards as a developer and also as a trainer also. Okay, I given a lot of trainings even for corporates. Even now also I am giving. So currently working in Informatica as a Informatica senior developer, right? So what is ISS combo training? Let us see what is ISS combo training. So ISS combo training means to combine many important topics. For the current scenario, if you learn only Informatica IICS, definitely it is not suitable. So you should have to add some more important flavors along with the Informatica. So that we will add and we will make it as practical to get the job easily. Okay. So you can get the job easily with this training, definitely. Okay. So for that, who is suitable, that we will see, and based on that, I will tell you. Okay. After some 15 minutes, so you can ask your own questions about your previous experience, whether you are a suitable person or not. Yeah. Now let me go to the what is ISS combo training. ISS combo training means we need to combine, and also we need to see why ISS combo training. What is ISS combo training? So why it is very important for the current market scenario. So let us see that. Informatica, first of all, Informatica means we all know there was something called Informatica PowerCenter. previously with the different versions. This current scenario, current version 4.0, 5.0, and all we have seen, right? So that many of you know, right? So after that, we have gone through the cloud. What is that? Informatica IICS, IDMC, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, right? So then SQL. So in this session, we will cover SQL also, because we all know without SQL, without structured query language, we cannot handle any of the job, most of the jobs. As a data engineer, as a ETL developer, as a data analytics or data, so many. It is depending on SQL only. It is not that I am become a developer, Informatica developer. So without SQL, we cannot complete the job. You cannot become a ETL developer. You cannot become a data engineer. You cannot become most of the jobs. Okay. So SQL, and also what is this Snowflake? Why we are bringing Snowflake also in this? Snowflake is that is also one of the trending job nowadays. Okay. So if you learn only Snowflake, that is also okay. But still, Informatica IICS is the top ETL tool in the market right now. Okay. So because this is the oldest, Informatica is the oldest ETL tool, and also very popular ETL tool in the market, because very big companies still they are using Informatica PowerCenter also, not even IICS. They are slowly migrating to the cloud, that is Informatica IICS. Even many of the company not even thinking whether I should migrate or not, because they are very much comfortable with Informatica PowerCenter itself. Still some of the companies they are moving due to some reasons. Okay. So, and we are going to see all the all these platforms topic wise. How topic wise? Topic wise means we have a lot of common topics. You all know, right? Some of the topics like, for example, joins. Okay. Joins in SQL, joins in PowerCenter, joins in IICS, joins in Snowflake. For example, today we are going to see the session called joins. In joins, first I will take the SQL, then PowerCenter, then IICS, then Snowflake also. The same concept, if you learn from all these topics, all these platforms, this topic will become very, very familiar for you. You cannot even forget. If you want even forget, you can't even forget. So that much you will become very strong with that particular topic. So because if you go to the interview or if you are going to work in somewhere, so there is a lot of migration projects. In that case, if you are having a good scope, good knowledge on Informatica PowerCenter and also IICS and also SQL, along with that Snowflake also, so you will be the master there. You will be the boss. Okay. Whatever you are telling, they will hear it. Okay. So that much power you will get. The knowledge is the power, right? If you are strong with the power, if you are strong with the knowledge, you will be the powerful person in that scenario. Okay. So that we are going to cover in this way each and every sessions. All the sessions we will cover with SQL, PowerCenter, IICS. If some of the topic is not available in Snowflake, so that will be avoided. But most of the topics available even in the Snowflake also, so that we will cover in the Snowflake also, right? Similarly, not only joins, all the sessions, aggregation in SQL, aggregation in PowerCenter, aggregation in IICS, aggregation in Snowflake. So why I should learn all these things? It is very much important for the current market scenario. You cannot learn only IICS. So rank in SQL, rank in PowerCenter, rank in IICS. But the center picture, very, very high priority we will be giving for IICS. Okay, IICS or IDMC, that is the center picture, but we will give the equal priority for SQL, PowerCenter, and also Snowflake, wherever it is possible to go. Okay, so that is what the IICS combo. And Some examples I'm telling now. Filter logics. I will do the filter. First of all, SQL. Okay, like this, we will see the up to some 15 to 20 minutes. We'll go for SQL. So this is the logics example. Select star from employees where Johnny date is equal to 2023. Some example. So like this, 15 to 20 minutes SQL session will be there. Then PowerCenter. Then IICS. Same topic. Filter only. Today, if I am going to the filter, what is the filter logic in SQL? Then where class, right? Then similarly, expression. What is the expression logics we can use in the SQL, right? So case, you all know if then else logic. Same thing, case. Stipend more than 10,000. Like this, some examples I'm telling. So like this, how to compare the expression in SQL, that we will see in depth. Okay. We have a lot of expression exercises. Those exercises sheets I will give. Okay. Then if I go to the router, I cannot show much in SQL. So that part I cannot show in the SQL. So but definitely it will be there in the PowerCenter and IICS. Then why IICS combo training, right? So first of all, you can save the money, right? Because we can save the time, we can save the money. For example, if you want to learn the market scenario, current market scenario, only to learn Informatica PowerCenter, the charges will be 12,000 to 16,000, right? Without losing the quality of the training, we are going to cover everything, right? So only if I want to learn IICS, it will be chargeable up to 12,000 to 15,000, the market, okay? Then if you want to learn Informatica IICS CDI CAI, if you see in that way, 12,000 to 15,000 only for CDI, CAI 5,000 to 17,000. It will come around 20,000 only for IICS. And SQL plus Snowflake, minimum 10,000 to 12,000, right? So total cost, it will come around 40,000. It is the common charges. It will happen. If you see the time, it will take up to 4 months. It will take up to 4 months because you have to learn in a separate batch, right? PowerCenter separate batch, 2 months, IICS 2 months, right? So it will take more than 4 months to complete all these things. But what about our training, right? So what is the charges? What is the time we are going to take to complete all these things, right? Just for 9,600, you can pay half of the amount and you can start. And after 14 sessions or before 14 sessions, you can pay the remaining. Okay. If it's a completely safer site, you are not at all in the risk. Okay. So first you can join. If not interested, if you give a proper reason, okay, some genuine reason, definitely you can get the refund also. Whatever you paid for 9,600, half of the amount, whatever you paid, you can get the refund also. Okay. And duration will be 45 to 48 days. It will take 45 to 48 days or maximum 50 days. So it will come around daily approximately 2 hours. Okay. 1.5 to 2 hours, you can say. Then we will have 80 plus hours, total training 80 plus hours. And we are having the 24/7 technical support also, right? So how many of the people are there asking why your charges is so less? So many are struggling in ground level. Okay, even the non-IT people, they are no idea at all. So they are taking less salary after 5 years, 10 years of experience, the salary will not grow more than 25,000 or 30,000 or maximum 40,000. So those people, they should have the affordable price So that is the reason we are kept the price is so less. So it's okay for us. Okay. Otherwise, we don't have any competition with any of the other training providers. Okay. So based on their plan, based on their charges, they can charge. Okay. So this is enough for us, but we are not going to compromise any of the contents in IICS, any of the content in PowerCenter, any of the content in SQL. We will cover everything. Most of the contents, even in the Snowflake also, right? So whatever is needed for a IICS developer, more than that, we are going to provide even the Snowflake content also. Okay. So these are the reasons. Okay. So these are the reasons for our less price, because at least some 2, 3 people they are asking weekly. You are giving so much, why so less price? That is become a question, because some of the people they are thinking they are charging less, maybe something less in the training. Not at all. Okay. Our reason is entirely different for less price. So that should not become a reason for to think about the quality of the training. Okay. So we were never compromise on the quality or commitment or anything, right? These are the reasons for our less price, first of all. Next. So who can join? If you are working in Informatica PowerCenter, definitely you can upgrade to Informatica, this ISS combo training. It will help definitely to upgrade to the IICS. Any IT professionals, if you want to hike, or if you are in a coding job like Java, Python, or any other Power BI, Tableau. Normally in the Power BI, Tableau, the hike will be quite slow only. To boost your salary, definitely you can move to Informatica IICS for sure. Okay. Because it will increase the salary very fast. Because I know the market demand for Power BI, Tableau compared to this, that will be less only salary. Okay. So that you can boost your salary, that will be helpful. And even Informatica IICS, if you are an Informatica IICS already working in Informatica IICS, definitely this is a better choice to take, because Informatica IICS developers also, you need to learn a lot of topics we are going to cover, the advanced concepts. Okay. So hierarchy, parser, builder, so many things is there. And particularly we are having a best session on CAI, API. We are going to cover a very different sessions on CAI, which is not available in the all the trainings, whatever is available in the current market. We are going to bring some very real time CAI sessions. CAI is very, very important nowadays. Okay. So go to any training for IICS developer training. For any of the Informatica IICS interview, definitely they are asking questions on CAI questions. Definitely, you should have to be ready with the CAI part also. Okay. So then non-IT people, you want to migrate. Yes, you can migrate very easily, non-IT to IT. So the basic is you must have a degree. You should have to be a graduate, right? So that is the thing. And so some of the questions they are asking, can I learn Informatica PowerCenter? No. If somebody is giving only Informatica PowerCenter training, my suggestion is no. Because if you learn Informatica PowerCenter, again you have to learn IICS later. So that is not recommended. Can I learn Informatica IICS directly? No. Don't learn IICS also directly. You should have to learn PowerCenter. You should have to learn. You should have to learn. Then only you can come to the IICS. Because many times I told, so this is like a PC. Informatica PowerCenter, it is like a bachelor degree, and IICS, it is like a master degree. Without bachelor degree, don't jump to master degree, but instead, I am going to provide both in the same session parallelly. So the learning parallelly is a very, very important thing, because as I already told, if you learn any topic like joins or aggregation or anything, if you learn in a parallel way, okay, how to do the joins in SQL, how to do the joins in PowerCenter, how to do the joins in IICS, whether the same concept is available in the Snowflake also. So with that comparison, if you learn, it will add a very big value in your mind. Okay. If you learn in a separate batch, you may forget that particular topic. And when you learn the same topic in IECS later in another batch, you cannot get the correlation, you cannot get the comparison, because many of the topics is the similar topic only, but the naming conventions will be very, very different. Few examples. Workflow level, we are calling as workflow. So we are in IES in the Power Center, we are calling as workflow level, but in IECS we are calling as task flow. So like this, we are having a lot of naming conventions different, but the topic is same only. Okay. So these differences we have to see between the Power Center and IICS, and comparison with the SQL, comparison with the Snowflake. So definitely this will add a very big value, right? So why combo training? As I already told, we are going to provide the comprehensive parallel, right? So interactive sessions. We are not going to take more than some 20 or 25 people. We are not going to make a very big crowd in the training. So that's why we are not doing too much ad and all. Okay, we are not giving too much paid advertisements and all. Okay, whatever our students, they are bringing the students based on the previous students, they are bringing the students to us because they are happy. They are also bringing some more people. So that is enough for us. Okay, mouth to mouth. That is also some 20 people is enough for a batch. Then only I can able to do the quality sessions. So I don't mute anyone in the session. It will be always open. Whenever you get a doubt, you can clear and we will move. Right? That is what we are doing. So we will have 3 platforms to give the access for the recordings. Okay. We'll give the lifetime access. That is to, we will give the access in our web portal and also Android app. And also now we added with iOS also. Okay. If you're using iPhone, we are having the application, Android application, iOS application. You will get the access in all these platforms. Whenever if you're going outside also, you can just watch the videos. You can see the contents in our application. So that is what we are given in the access in web portal, Android app, and also iOS app also. So we will have the 2 real-time projects. Okay. So either it can be healthcare, insurance, or banking, or retail. Any 2 real-time projects definitely we will take. So that is more than enough to prove as you are having a good experience on Informatica IICS and Power Center as well. Right? We will have active quizzes. We will have the quizzes every Saturday. So first prize, second prize, some motivations we will have, right? Then job oriented training, definitely it is a. So I will tell you some of the things. Okay, these are the real time projects. Some retail normally we will take, or banking, insurance, healthcare. Okay, so these projects and some important steps in our ISS combo training. I'll tell you some important steps. So what it is making differentiate between the common trainings which is available. So what we are doing is, first of all, in the day 1 itself, to prepare the interview, we'll give all the documents on the day 1 itself. What are the documents we are going to give on the day 1 when you join? Okay, 100 plus documents we will give. It is included with 500 plus scenario based questions on Informatica and PC, that is Power Center, IICS, Snowflake. Okay. And we will have the notes, exercises, mapping documents. So our mapping documents is very, very special. By watching the mapping document, you can able to do the mapping. You don't want to even see the video also. Okay. Crystal clearly, we have made this mapping documents with screenshot and directions, how to do the mapping for everything one by one from the beginning to till the end, right? And lot of files like CSV file, JSON file, XML file, param file, and all, right? And then after day one, we will give all the documents to you. After day 20, we will prepare the resume preparations, Naukri profile, experience settings. Experience settings means right? So whether you are really experienced or not, based on that, we have to do something, right? You have to ultimately you have joined here to get placed in a company, right? So for that, whatever is needed, what is the best thing, we will do that. Okay. Experience letter. So those suggestions, how to go through that, that also I will support you. Okay. And complete guidance I will give you to get placed in a company, right? Then after the 23rd session, I will have a first mock interview. First mock interview after the 23rd session. So 23rd session, I will take the first mock interview. You may ask, the session itself is not completed. Why you're taking the mock interview now itself? So this is how I am doing in my trainings. Okay. I will take a first mock interview parallel to the live session, because we are having the total session 45 sessions will be there. That is the total sessions. In the 23rd session, we will have the first mock interview. But I will not force everyone to attend the mock interview based on your interest. But I will recommend this. Okay. So it is not mandatory. So based on your interest of the student, and I will do the SWOT analysis of the student. Okay. So recording. So if you want to switch on the video while taking the mock interview, you can switch on or you can switch off. So you have the complete freedom. But in the real-time interview, definitely you have to switch on the video. But here in the mock interview, it is not mandatory. So if you're interested, I will share this. I will record this video, your mock interview, and share that to you. Okay. If you have done the mock interview very well, then with your permission, if you are interested, I will upload in our YouTube channel also, if you are interested. Okay. So this is the process for mock interview. After the 25 session, you can attend the real-time interview also. Okay. So the session will complete at 45 session, but you start to attend the real-time interview in the 25 itself, based on whatever the interview questions I given, and based on the sessions so far it is completed. Definitely you can able to face the interview now itself. Okay. So from the beginning itself, you have to fight to crack the interview. Okay. We will have the complete support from our side also. So attending real-time interview. So I'll tell you how to record a interview while attending, how to record it. So for our next review, so you can share the interview question in our WhatsApp group, and also you can get the same. Others also will share, and we will do the review of the interview question answers next interview. Okay. So you can crack the interview. How to crack the next interview? Based on that, we will discuss. And second mock interview after the 35 session. Second mock interview after the 35 session. That is also same policy only. Okay. If you are interested, but second mock interview, definitely I will recommend to attend. Same only again. Next. So before the 35 session, you are supposed to be completed at least 3 to 4 interviews. So these techniques, many batches we are applying, it is scientifically, it is proving that to get the job before the session is going to complete. Many of the people who are really hungry, really they want to get the job, then we are there to complete support. Okay. So they are also putting the effort. We are also putting our effort from our side also, right? So third mock interview, so before 45 session, you are expected to be placed in a company. So third mock interview, even if you are not placed, we'll have the complete setup support. So until you get the job, we are there to support, and our team is there to support. Okay. So after day 45, continue support until you get the job. Okay. After getting job, we will give up to 2 to 3 months free job support. Okay. We are giving for our previous students. So any of you, if you are joined our previous students, if you don't know this, we will give the free job support. You can note it. Okay. So that it's a complete secured this thing. Okay. But you should have to put the effort. We are putting a lot of efforts day and night. We are giving the 24/7 support. Okay. So but still, to get the job, you should also put the equal effort. So we'll give the complete guidance how to get the job. It's not that namesake we are saying 45 days session, 45 days job. No, many times it is proved within 45 days, many of the people have got the job. So out of whatever the 20 or 25 people in that, today also someone messaged me, got the job. Okay. So batches, we are having 2 batches now, 7:15 morning to 8:45, and evening we are planning to make it as 8:30 the current batch. So we will make it to 8 o'clock, 8 to 9:45, right? So these batches, so now currently these 2 batches are not there. So we are planning to resume again. Then some of you may be asking, what is PowerCenter and IICS? What is the difference? Yeah, 1 minute, please. 1 minute. Yeah. So what is the difference between Informatica PowerCenter and IICS? So what kind of laptop or what kind of hardware you should have, that we will discuss now. So for Informatica PowerCenter, normally it is a on-premises ETL tool. Informatica IICS, it is a cloud ETL tool with a small security agent. Okay. So that the security agent means it is a small software which will connect the database. 2 clouds it will connect. Okay. So one cloud, it can be a database or warehouse. Okay. Like Snowflake or GCP or anything. The another cloud is ETL itself cloud. That is the Informatica cloud. Then RAM. If you're having the RAM 6 GB, if you're having a 6 GB RAM, so you should, or 4 GB if you're having, 4 GB is not possible for Informatica PowerCenter because we have to install 4 softwares in our session. That is Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Cloud, Oracle, and Snowflake. These 4 softwares we have to install on our laptop. So based on that, as possible, try to make it as 8 GB. If you are having 4 GB, you can manage, but it will be quite slow. Okay. If possible, please go and upgrade. Give the laptop to a shop. Okay. And you can upgrade. So 6 GB also it is okay, but 8 GB will be very good. Okay. 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB. So seamlessly, very easily you can able to work. For IICS, even 4 GB also much changes you will not see. Okay, but still, if you are having 8 GB, 16 GB, that is great. And space in your local disk C or wherever you are installing this Informatica Power Center, make sure you should have 100 or 80 GB free space for the Informatica Power Center. For IICS, if you are having 20 to 30 GB free space apart from the installed software, that will be great. Okay, you can go for Windows 10 or 11. And if you are using the laptop, so while if you are going for a upgradation of your OS operating system, make sure to keep 2 or 3 partitions like local disk C, local disk D, like that. Okay, see here. So I have 2 partitions here. So I am maintaining this local disk C with a lot of free space. Okay, like this you have to maintain. So if you see, this local disk D is almost full now. Okay, only 8 GB it is left. So that will not make any big impact on my system performance. Okay, but local disk C should not get full. Okay, that's why I'm telling, keep at least, if you are having a 500 GB, keep 200 GB for local disk C, and remaining 280 GB or 300 GB for local disk D. So minimum you keep 150 GB free space for local disk C. Okay, make a partition like this, because some of the operating system, some shops, they are merging the total hard disk into only one partition. Please never do that. Okay, if you lose the operating system, you will lose all the data also. Okay, that is the biggest trouble. Okay, you can keep all your files. See here, all my files and everything I kept here safely. So last month only I upgraded this OS. Okay, I just updated this OS. So I said in the shop, never touch this partition. You can do the OS only here in the local disk C. So this is how you have to maintain. So don't merge both partitions as a single partition. So, so how we are covering all the SQL? If you ask SQL, first I will take the SQL sessions only for 4 days minimum, right? How we are going to cover the SQL? If you ask, first I will go through the 5 different languages of SQL, right? So I will tell you that. Okay. So what is SQL? First of all, let me tell that. What is SQL? So day one, we will go through the SQL first. Okay. Just I will make a summarize. What are the things we are going to cover everything. So like a course content, I'll complete within some 10 minutes. What are the important topics we are going to cover in this ISS combo training, so that you will also have a clarity, right? So what are the things we are going to learn? First, we will go through the day one. We'll have the common introduction session. Then we'll have what is the language of database, right? Structured query language. So these are the databases, small databases, right? So hard disk, and previously we were using the disk and cassettes and floppies and notebooks. Notebooks is the important database. And before that, the ancient, they were using the leaves also, right? That is also a database. So now we are standing in the cloud. Okay. So this, right? Okay. So where is the purpose of this IECS is coming picture? Why ETL? Why ETL we have to do? What is ETL? Okay. So ETL means extract, transform, load. Okay. So why this we are bringing in the, why we are going to learn what is the demand for ETL. I will give an example. Okay. For example, I will take an example just in our home itself. The same example you can apply for a big company also. Okay. Suppose you are earning some 1 lakh salary per month. Okay. Then we have to see the expenses. Okay. So what is the rice, vegetables, rent, petrol, school fees, so many things. Suppose you are making an expense of 50,000, and if you are keeping 50,000 as a savings or 30,000 as a savings per month, so we have to make a, we have to improve that, right? So that is called data analysis. Okay. I will make an analysis from last 1 year. What is my savings in my home? What is my salary? How I am achieving my dreams? What is the dreams? Some dreams like a car or a home, right? For that, I should keep some money somewhere. That is called savings. For that, we will plan and we will keep everything, right? So that, okay. So based on that, I will make a data analytics, and finally I will achieve that. I will get an idea, so that I will take all the data and keep somewhere. Those data, I will keep it anywhere. In our home, we may write in the book, we may update in a system, but end of the day, that is also a data analysis only. The same they are going to apply. For example, if you're starting a business at Hyderabad or Bangalore or Delhi, first it will start in your Hyderabad or in your local place, then it will go to the national level. You will have multiple branches, right? Then the branches will keep on increase in this way. Okay, I will have a lot of branch. So about, what about the data? How will you track the data? So even in our home also, we cannot able to maintain the data very properly. So we are forgetting so many things. What was my last month expense? So these and all, we have to keep each and every expense very carefully, right? How will you check your dangerous mode? So these are most important thing, because if you are running a business, you will have a lot of competitors, because similar business some other person also may be doing, right? For example, Zomato, your competitor. Who is the competitor? Swiggy is the competitor, right? Ola, Uber is the competitor. Samsung, LG is the competitor. Okay. So how will you maintain the data, right? So daily selling data, how we are keeping all these things? Because you have a lot of branches now, and the company is gone to the international level. You are having the company in different countries. How we are going to keep all those data? So for that, we have something called data warehouse. For that, the ETL is coming in the picture. Okay. Okay. So I'll tell you one scenario now. So this is the ETL. Okay. We are going to get the lot of data. I should, previously we had something called, I'll tell you a real-time scenario, how to use, why the ETL is in picture, and why we are going to learn the IICS or ETL or Informatica PowerCenter, right? So you can take this example for any of the ETL tool, not only for Informatica. Suppose you are receiving the data. Okay. Today I have some receiving data, the incoming data. So this data, I will keep it here and I should have to keep it somewhere, right? So assume that your company is providing a lot of data, they are producing a lot of data. Those data I have to keep somewhere for the future calculations, that is called data analytics or data analyzations, right? So if you have the data, then only you can able to do all those things. So previously we had something called, okay, 1 second. Okay. So OLTP, online transaction processing. So here we will be doing all the data, we will be doing all the functions, the day-to-day activities, it will keep on go here. Okay. You are sending the data from here. Assume that this is your company. So you are doing the business here. You are keeping the data in a data warehouse. This is a OLTP database. So previously, people were taking the data from here itself. They were doing all the functions like so data analytics and everything. So, but when you are taking the data and a lot of transaction is going on between this and this, you cannot do that function very clearly. Okay, and it will affect the database also. Okay, it will impact the OLTP. So without any disturbance, I want to do my job. That is how the later we had something called ETL. Okay, extract, transform, load. Then OLAP. OLAP means online transaction, online analytical processing. Okay. Then we will have the reporting tools. Okay. I will tell you more clearly in the coming sessions. So this is a simple way I'm telling. So this is how the OLTP, OLAP. Here, as a ETL developer, you are not going to send all the data from here to here. Based on the requirement from the company, I will send the data to the OLAP. So this is what the data warehouse. The data warehouse, I will keep all the data from the last 10 years data, from last 20 years data, or even last any, even 50 years, 100 years. Some examples you can take Lifebuoy, the company, it is existing from last 125 years. So 125 years of the data they have to maintain. Okay. For different reasons. Okay. They have to do the comparisons with other products like Lifebuoy soap or so many other products, I can say like this. Okay. So this is the, but without doing this ETL, you cannot send the data to the data warehouse directly. So that is the demand of ETL developer. That is the demand of that is the demand of 1 second, please. Hope my voice is clear. Okay, those who have joined in the LMS portal, hope everyone okay. So some of the people I have given the link in the LMS portal. Some of the people Zoom and 2 Zoom link I was given. Okay. So wherever you are joined, you can be in that, no issue. So this is how the ETL developer is coming in the picture. So this developer is ETL developer or IICS developer. This developer demand will be there always. Okay. Okay. So any questions till now? Anyone? Yeah. Yeah, Babu. Okay. So you have completed the degree, right? What is the total experience after completed the degree? 4 years experience. Worked in which sector? Whether it is IT sector or non-IT? Yes, yes. Currently, you're working or not? Okay, fine. You're working, right? So which company? No, it's a IT company or non-IT company? No, no. Your role, I am not asking whether this company is a IT company or not. IT company. Okay. Yeah, definitely you can show us you are working in already in the IICS or Informatica PowerCenter itself. Yes, it's very easy for you. Even many of the people who are coming from the non-IT, they are also presenting us they are working in IT because many of the companies will have the IT sector also in that company. So they are not going to check very much with about your designation whether you worked or not. That they will check in the verification. So if you want to upgrade, you have to put some effort. Yes. So it's not very easy. I'm saying initially you will face some struggle, but if you are very strong in the skill, the knowledge, definitely you can able to handle. No issue at all. Okay. So you may be having lot of issues. You may be having gap. Okay. So you may be not working. Some of you may be not working right now. You will have some gap of 6 months, 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. So, but we have to survive. We have to do something, right? So based on that, I will suggest. Okay. It is not the same treatment for everyone. So everyone will have the same different approaches, different suggestions I can give. Okay. Anyone else having any questions about your profile, whether you are suitable for this training or not? I will tell you here in this Zoom. Yeah, here one Zoom, some 7 people are there. Okay, another Zoom. Yeah, yeah. Any questions? Anyone, please?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, yeah, please.
So, what is the current situation? Are you getting the calls in Informatica now? IICS.
Many of our students they are saying getting good calls in IICS. It will be there always. That's why people are moving from because it is a migration. So whoever worked in Informatica PowerCenter, the next option is so all the companies next option they have to migrate to IICS. So definitely there is good demand, no doubt at all. Any questions? Anyone else, please? Yeah, yeah. So in the LMS portal, yeah. So if possible, you can unmute or you can chat, no issue. Yeah, Premalata, right? Yeah. Please go ahead. Okay. You are a graduate, right? See, I can give the training for anyone, but ultimately you should achieve the job, right? For that, I should have to ask everything. Okay. So you should have some degree. Okay. You should have to complete the degree first of all. Diploma, no, not possible. particularly for ETL developers. Some IT jobs, they are saying they are getting the job even for diploma holders or something like that. But particularly this for this IICS job, I cannot recommend if you are not a graduate. Okay, your brother. Okay, your brother is a graduate. Then okay, fine. Okay, yeah. What is the experience to him? Is working or not? Okay, okay. So okay, just he's there in the meeting right now. Okay, he's not. So please tell him to call me. Okay, I'll suggest the best. Okay. So whether he is suitable for the training, if he is suitable, I will take. Otherwise, mostly if you are a graduate, you can manage. Definitely, you can learn and you can get the job. Okay. But freshers, absolutely freshers, I don't take. Okay. Full freshers, there is no calls, right? But still, in my sessions, I am giving the even the Snowflake also. So you can get the job, but still based on your. But I'm trying to avoid the now. Just now, if you have completed degree and coming, so get some. But you can learn later. We cannot expect the job immediately. Learning is not a problem. Okay, I can give the training, but you cannot expect the job immediately if you are having a luck. But these topics is highly because I am adding Snowflake also and providing the SQL also. Some job you can get even if you're not getting as a IACS developer. Definitely you can go as a SQL developer or some similar. Okay, that I can guarantee. Okay, but you cannot get a IACS developer job immediately as a fresher. So to be practical, I'm telling. Okay, but I cannot say 100% anything, but you may also get. But some of the people they are saying even freshers also joined as a ISS developer. So the overall percentage is less only like that. But minimum 2 years experience is that is a very great idea to become ISS developer. If you are working in Power BI or Tableau or Java or Python, if you don't want any coding jobs, definitely you can take this. Yes, because coding is always a headache. Okay, everybody. I was also doing coding before some 10 years. So daily, we will have a lot of struggles to do that. They will give some job, they will give some projects. Based on that, we have to plan. The coding is always a so that if you want to work as a peaceful, then ETL developer job is a very peaceful job. Not much pressurizing and all. Okay. So they will give the task and you have to complete. They will give the proper time and all. You will have a proper sprint based on that sprint, based on your experience, they will allot the sprint. Okay. Any other question, anyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
good evening.
Yeah. Good evening,
Want to
Rishab.
know means how many sessions you will take to complete this?
It's totally 45 sessions.
40 sessions.
Daily
Okay,
1.5 to 2 hours session will be there.
okay. And means for SQL, how many days you will take it to cover? Because I am aware of the SQL, so I just want to know. That's why uh,
Yeah.
I'm
SQL,
asking.
we are not taking separately all the sessions. Okay. So as I already told,
Okay.
first 3-4 sessions SQL will be there. After that, everything will
Mm-hmm.
go parallelly to the sessions. For example, if I am doing the
Mm-hmm.
joins, I will do the joins in SQL, then
Mm-hmm.
PowerCenter, then IICS. In that approach, we will complete all the important session in
Okay.
the SQL also, SQL also, because
Mm-hmm.
similar topic is there available in the Informatica
Okay.
PowerCenter also and
So
IICS also.
okay, okay. It's a request. Is there any session or recording you have? Means I just want to know. Means I just want to check what exactly the approach is. Means how SQL parallelly covered, how the things are parallelly covered.
Yeah,
If
if
you
you want,
have,
I will
then
play a video now. Okay.
better you can share if possible one
No,
video
just
only.
I will show within 1 minute now. Just a glimpse. Okay, you asked right. So so I'll show you a glimpse now. How the session will be covered. Everything in same session you asked, right? So that join a transmission. So these are the
Okay.
joins will be there. Hope.
Uh-huh.
Okay, I'll share the audio also.
Correct. Okay.
Welcome to the IICS combo session. So these are joins in SQL, joins in Cloud PowerCenter like this. First of all, we'll see why joins. Okay. So why the joins is coming in the picture, and then we'll see the joins in SQL, SQL. Okay. So these are, we'll write the, first of all, you can see. Then, so SQL after the joins, we'll go for IICS, similar same joins. Okay.
Okay.
And see the joins in PowerCenter as well. You can see here, PowerCenter, this is. Okay. So from basic to advanced, all the topics we'll cover in SQL, in PowerCenter, in IICS, in the same session. Maybe the session may go to the second session also. Some of the topics we are not going to cover on the everything in the same session. If it is not completing, next day. But this scenario, if you learn like this, it will be a very big advantage for you. So based on all the topics, because SQL is most important, we will give the equal priority, because we may think we are good in SQL sometimes, but while attending the interview only, we'll face some problem. Because many of our students, they are telling to crack the ETL also, it's very easy. To crack the SQL, I'm facing some problem. Some people, they are saying, okay, that means they have not practiced the SQL based on whatever the documents are given, okay, and the classes, whatever are given. So after the class, you have to practice the same. I'm going to anyway giving the videos, giving the documents. So based on that, if you practice, that's great. That's enough. That's what they are expecting. If you complete their expectation, then we think definitely will be placed, right? So any other questions?
If you share one video, it will really helpful for us. Means one video only. So
some video. Okay.
Understand
I'll share the video.
Any video. Better you can just share this video.
Okay, I have the YouTube channel also. I will upload some more video.
Okay.
So if you go to the
share the link for that particular.
Just simply type Rishab Informatica group. But
okay.
So, but I have not uploaded this kind of videos. So how to install PowerCenter, and how to install IICS, how to install Oracle, and basic about IICS combo full course.
If you share this particular video, it's really helpful for us to understand what exactly the process
definitely I can
is.
share. Definitely I can share. Okay. After the session,
Thank you.
Please ping me. I will. Okay.
Okay.
So
thanks.
Please share your phone numbers. Those who are in the LMS, those who are in the Zoom, so that I can contact, or you can contact me. Okay. So I'll tell you my phone number. So 9944800523. Okay. I'll just show here. Please note, and so this is my phone numbers. This is my contact numbers.
I am having one question.
Yeah, please.
So actually, my friend is completed the BTech in 22 almost. So he's completed. Okay. But this course is enough to join.
So after 22, what and all he has done?
So I think he don't have any IT experience.
Not worked anywhere from 22?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Then you have to put some experience. That's all.
Okay.
Put some experience.
So that's possible, right, sir?
See, that is the option. Possible is next question. Okay. That is the option. Because the company is saying without experience, I will not take, right? So we are not interested to go for fake experience. Nobody, to be honest. Okay. But company is saying without experience, I will not give job, right?
Yeah.
Then we have to go through that only. No other option. Nobody is really interested to go for fake. The name itself is
Yeah.
not very happy to hear, right? But the companies, they are saying without experience, I cannot take. So for that,
Yes.
just go through the training,
Yeah.
just add your skill, and for the experience, you have to put some experience. That I'll tell you that. Okay, that is not.
Okay.
It's not very very difficult and all. That is not impossible. Definitely, it is.
Okay.
That is the option itself. No other option. You have to pay some money. You have to do something, but we have to survive somehow, right? We cannot say we cannot keep on sit without job, right?
Yes.
So for that, we are not very much happy to do the fake and all, but no other option. That is the option.
Yeah.
1 second. So please share some of you the phone numbers. Okay. Any other question, anyone? Okay. Okay. So you will call after. No problem. Fine. No issue. So any other question, anyone? Yeah. Please tell me. When completed the degree? 2019. Okay. Okay. What is the experience you are having? The previous what and all you have done? So if you tell everything exactly, I can able to suggest exactly. Okay. Don't tell anything whatever you have not done, so that I cannot give. If you give a proper detail about yourself, I can give the proper suggestion. But nothing is impossible. That's what I can say. Okay. But the basic thing, you should have a degree. For that, I cannot do anything. Okay. To take the degree, whatever the way you want, whatever you want, you can do, but complete a degree. Okay. Even degree also, some people are doing some payment or something they are doing. That is up to you. Okay. That I cannot say everything directly, right? So some universities, some from the north, some university they are supporting even that also. So that you can search and you can do, but come with a degree. And even if you are not having experience, for experience, whatever is needed to be done, that I can support. We have some people to give the, so that and all I can support. Yes. It is not that giving only the training is my job. To get the job also, till that I will definitely I will support. That I'm doing. Okay. Simply I'm not going to take the training and wash my hands. Not like that. Okay. I will take the complete responsibility till you get the job. After you get the job also, I will give the job support also. That is the advantage in our training. Okay. So any other questions? Sure. Okay. What's it? Yeah. You're from California. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I am able to hear. Yes. Okay. Working or not now? Currently you're working or not? Okay, housewife. Okay, fine. Currently you're ma'am, you currently are working or not? Okay. Okay. So yes, we have to do something for that. Okay. And 2 years not working. Fine. So yes, you ping me. Okay. Share your phone number in the LMS and you discuss with me. Definitely we'll make some plan on that. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this training will complete in some 45 days or maximum 50 days. That's all. Anything else, anyone? Yeah, Shrikant,
So
right?
when you,
Yeah, Shrikant. Yeah.
when you start,
Hi, Hari.
Yeah, hi, Shrikant. Yeah.
Sure.
You have any questions or you already discussed, right?
Yeah.
Okay, no questions,
So,
right?
can you tell me about the registration process,
Uh-huh.
Hari?
Can you come again, please?
Registration.
Registration fees, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's 9,600. You can pay half of the amount and you can start registration today itself. We are taking some 20 people or maximum 20 people. So already the last batch itself, some 7 people already registered. So remaining today and tomorrow in 2-3 days, it will get registration will close. So some of you want to join, you can pay half of the amount and you can join. So we will give the access like this. Okay. So this is our portal, rishabinformaticagroup.com. All the recordings you will get here only. Okay. If you just simply log in here and so in the portal, you will find this. So like this, you will get the videos. So all the courses, whatever you are logged in, you can see the contents in that itself. Okay. For example, this is a ISS combo batch 8. So here, combo batch 8 or ISS combo full course. Okay, if some of you not having time to join the live session, you can go for this ISS combo full course also. So as of now, as a offer, I just made as a 2920. Actual price is 5,900. So ISS combo 9. Okay, this is the 9th batch now. So this is the contents. So this is how we will see the videos and all. Along with Zoom, it is not working due to security reasons. I should switch off the Zoom actually. Okay. Since I am recording, it is not opening. That's why it is making a void, I think. I'll switch off the security reasons in a second. Yeah. Correct. Fine. Okay. So like this, you can see the videos and all. So this is your portal. So the daily after the session, it will get recorded and it will get uploaded automatically in our portal. We are having the LMS portal. We are having the Android app. You can simply type Rishab Informatica Group in the Google Play Store. So we are having the Android app also. Okay. The Play Store, you can go and simply type Rishab Informatica Group. In that also, you can get the login. Okay. So, yeah. What is the question? Okay. Yeah, I'm able to hear. Please tell me. Please go ahead. Yeah. 45. Your age is 45. Okay. 45, I can't say it's very easy. Okay, it's quite difficult, but I can't say it's impossible. Nothing is impossible. You can try, no issue. You are already working, right? Definitely you can upgrade, no problem. But you have to present as a IICS senior developer. For that, you have to practice more. If some of they are coming 4-5 years experience, for them it's all right. But for you, you should have to tell at least you are having more than 10 years experience in Informatica alone. Then only it will be more logical for your experience. If you say I have 1 hour experience, 1 or 2 years experience, it is not much easy to get the job, easy to crack the interview. Okay. So if you are dedicated to practice, definitely it is possible. Okay, nothing is impossible. So because in the last to last batch, one person he joined, his age was 46. He was managed to get the job within some 3 months. Yes, that example also is there. If you want, I can share his phone number also. Yes. But we put a lot of effort. Parallelly, I also put my effort. He put the experience, letter, so many things we have done. Yes. Parallelly, we are there to support. That's what I'm telling. Any kind of scenario, we may be in different scenario will be there, but I have to support all the way for everyone based on your scenario. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Babu. Yeah, please go ahead. Sure. Okay. If you want to join, you can simply type. Yeah, please go ahead.
So, is it 3 years or 4 years experience, guys? So the course is same for everyone, right?
The course is everyone. It is same only, but I will suggest how much practice has to be done based on your experience you are going to put. Okay. I will give some advanced SQL questions because it is not needed for everyone. If you are coming as a 3 years experience, even the basic knowledge is enough to get the job. They are not going to expect too much from you. But you are putting some 8 years experience. Based on that, I will give some extra topics. Okay, based on that, I will give some more documents for you. Special documents I will give. Based on that, you can practice and you can present yourself as a more experienced person. If somebody
so those only advanced topic one.
No, it is not. Advanced topics means we will cover, but I will give some extra documents for them because it's a mandatory for them. Okay, it's not very much important for the people who are coming for 3 years experience because they will know already. Okay, this person is just 3 years experience. We cannot expect too much from him, right?
Yes.
So logically, we can plan that. And if you are presenting as a 10 years experience, you cannot say like this, like a 3 years person, right? 3 years experience person. So for that,
yes,
it will take some more effort. For that, I'll give all the documents. We are having some very good documents. So I cannot give too much burden for the people, for everyone, same burden. Okay. Cannot give too much documents, and based on your scenario, I can give. But common documents is there. So these are the documents, common documents I'm giving for all. Day-to-day docs for students. So 1, 2, 3, 4, everything. Okay. So it will have, this is enough for everyone normally, but some extra documents I will give for the people who are going for very high experience. So for example, rank mapping document. Okay. So this is a mapping all the SQL, how to do the rank. Okay. And then how to do the rank in IICS, how to do the rank in each and every step I given here. Same for PowerCenter also. and lot of exercises for all the sessions. For example, filter exercise, it will be like this. Okay. First of all, you need to create the table, students table. So next question, load the students who are getting stipend more than 3,000 under the coordinator 50 and 80. Load the students like this. So these questions you have to complete. If you are not able to complete, please tell me. Anytime I will also support to complete that exercise. You can try this exercise answer anywhere. You can try through Google, you can try through ChatGPT. Whatever the way you have, you can try yourself. Still, if you are not able to complete, then I will give the answers also. I will tell the answers also. Okay, this is the aggregator exercise. So I will give some hints also. So this session will start in another 3-4 days. Tomorrow also we are having a demo session. Let me complete that also. So some people they said they are going to join tomorrow. Okay. So the session will start in the next week. I'll tell you the exact date. So we are going to take only some 20 or 25 people per batch. That's all. Okay. To have a easy interactive session between you and me. Yeah. So to book in a to join any session, you can simply type Rishab Informatica group, or you can through our Android app also you can able to enroll rishabinformaticagroup.com. Click on this, go to our website, select the course, go to the live courses here. We are having ISS Combo Batch 9. Get this course. Click on this get this course. You can give your details. It will take to the gateway payment, Razor Pay. Or the second option, you can pay through my GPay or Phone Pay also. So that is also fine. So I will give the easy direct access itself for our course. Manual access also I'll give. So both are same only, no issue. Okay, anyone else having any other questions? Anyone, please? Okay. Deepa. Okay. Yeah. Working as Power BI developer. So Power BI developer, I already told Power BI developer to upgrade your salary, to make a big demandable, to increase the demand for your profile. You can go for this session. Definitely, it will add a very big. So the timings, the class timings. Okay, you are all the current meeting. If we plan only for evening session, is it okay? Or anyone looking for a morning session also, like 7:15 or 7:30 in the morning? Based on the demand, I will make both morning and evening. Otherwise, I will make evening only. Many of the people are looking for evening batch only. Yeah. So the time will be 8 o'clock evening, 8 to 9:45 or 9:30 it will close. Morning, if I plan 7:15 to 8:45, if both side is important, then I will go for morning and evening also. If the people are available even for the morning and evening, so then I will go for morning and evening also. The last batch I have done morning and evening. Parallelly, I was going through the morning and evening continuously. I was doing this current batch. Everyone moved to the evening, so that I have not taken the morning session. This the current batch, whatever I'm doing now, it is going to complete in another 2 days. Any other question? Anyone, please? Yeah, correct. Sure. Okay. Thank you all. Everybody given the phone number, right?
Yes.
Even this one. Okay. So, any other questions? Finally, shall I? Yeah. Please, yeah, go ahead. Amarnath, yeah, Hindi. बोलिए Amarnath. So you have to be comfortable with English also, Amarnath. You cannot attend the interview in Hindi, right? बोले no issue बोले. डिग्री डिग्री कब कंप्लीट किया है आप? ओके. आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है? एक्सपीरियंस क्या है आपका? क्या काम किया है इसके पहले? टैबडू डेवलपर. You are working as a Tableau developer, but you are talking only Hindi. How you got इंटरव्यू इन हिंदी? हिंदी में सब लोग नहीं लेते बाबूजी. या ओके. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to be ready with English. Okay. आप इंग्लिश बात करना है. English is important. Okay, I am not promoting English, but that is the option now. Okay. Yeah. अब ये बात कर रहे हैं ना, यू आर टॉकिंग. दैट्स सी एवरीवन हैज देयर ओन स्टाइल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, राइट? You speak in your own style, nothing to worry. Whatever you know, speak in English, because you want to crack the interview in English only. You cannot crack the interview in Hindi. Okay. Okay. Yeah, call me. Call me. I'll talk, no problem. आप हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं, नो इशू. बोले आप कॉल करिए मेरे को. ठीक है. ठीक है जी. यस. Not completed degree. Yeah. Okay, you are from Bangalore. Okay. So if degree not completed, you have to complete the degree first. Okay. So giving training is not an issue. You can give the training even for everyone, but you should get the job, right? For that, I'm doing all these things. Simply giving the training for everyone, that is not a correct way. That should give the job for you. Then only I can give the training. Simply giving the training, that is not correct. Yeah. Then again, you please complete somehow you complete the degree. Okay. Yes. Or you call me, I'll tell you. Okay. Some universities, they are supporting. Okay. That and all, I'll tell you. You call me. But somehow you have to complete the degree. Okay. Yeah. You call me, I'll tell you. Okay. You call me, I'll tell you. You cannot tell everything here. Okay. Then anything else, everyone? Okay. So course content. Yeah. I forgotten that. Yeah, sorry. So these are our course content. So you can see everything will go in. I'll share this document in the group itself, wherever you are. Okay. All the groups, wherever you join, I'll share this document. We'll cover all the topics. Nothing to worry. Okay. So intelligence structure model, joiner, different loadings, aggregator, and union, lookup transformation, unconnected lookup, sequence generator, connected lookup, hierarchy schema, parser, hierarchy builder, sorter transformation, parameterization, slowly changing dimension, and slowly changing dimension in IICS, PowerCenter, and slowly changing dimension itself. 3-4 sessions will be there. Mock interview, right? CDC variable concepts. Okay. Change data, capture, workflow level task, and task flow in IICS, workflow level task in PowerCenter, different task flows in IICS, and different task flows in part 2, right? Then we will start the performance tuning and the project explanations. Okay, project explanations. We'll have 2 projects, real-time projects. Then we will have the macros in IICS and interview question and answers. We'll have 2 sessions only on interview question and answers, discussions, scenario-based questions. And we will have the part B. What is the part B? Cloud application integration. That is CAI. Introduction on web service. Okay, it will have some 7 sessions or 8 sessions. Okay, CAI alone. We will create a real-time CAI. Okay, cloud application integration. Yes. CAI. What is CAI? You're asking. CAI means, say, cloud application integration. You're using apps, right? Like PhonePe, GPay, and Netflix, and you are booking the Ola or booking the Uber. So those things which is working through the Google Map API they are using. Okay. So one second, if you want, I'll tell you that also. Let me finish that also if you got a doubt on that. Cloud application integration, right? Okay. So cloud application integration. So it is like Axis Bank. They are using the API. You are connecting through the PhonePe or GPay. So there is a request you are sending. There is a response they are giving. So this in between, the customer is using this PhonePe. So this function is happening through a API. This API, why we are going to create, how we are going to create, it will be created in the CAI platform. Okay. So what are the types of APIs? Public API, private API, right? So you can see this example, Google Map, it is handling a single Google Map. They are having the Google Map. They will use the API. Using the API, they can able to connect with different companies like Ola, Uber, Zomato, Swiggy, right? And Axis Bank, they are handling with the PhonePe, GPay, PayPal. So the customer, okay, make my trip, okay, to book your flights, Indian Airlines, Indigo, SpiceJet. So in between the make my trip, here only API will be working. Okay. So you may ask why I should not connect directly Indian Airlines. If you go through this make my trip, I will have multiple choices. I can choose this one, I can choose Indigo, or I can choose SpiceJet. So that is how the CAI API will be useful for our real time. Okay. So as I already told, PhonePe request response. So here we are going to create the real time CAI process. Okay. So that and all, we will have some 7 sessions totally. It will come around totally 46, 48 sessions totally. Maximum. Sometimes I will complete within 45 sessions also. Sometimes it may go some 2-3 sessions extra also. Hope you are clear with the course content also. Any other question, anyone? Yeah. See, yeah. Correct. See, I can tell plenty of examples. If you go through the red bus. What is that? Red bus. Any bus is there? Red bus? No. Red bus is not having any own bus. It is red bus. They are like a agent. They are able to connect with multiple bus service providers. Okay. So you are going to book the ticket from Bangalore to Chennai or anywhere. Okay. If you search the bus, click on the search bus. We have so many options, right? KBS, luxury bus, so many buses. All these bus service providers, they are maintaining API. They are connected to that API is connected to the API of Red Bus. Red Bus is not running their own bus. They are running the buses of other buses. They are just simply they are giving the service only. That's all. All the service providers they are providing here. Similarly, you can take any other Make My Trip or so many examples. If I want to book a ticket from Bangalore to Hyderabad, then I have to give your phone number something here, or you can give through the okay. Simply you can type and you can see you can book the ticket, right? We'll have multiple choices. So I have to book, right? So we have multiple choices. To Mumbai, Indigo is there. Too many other SpiceJet is there. Okay. Air India is there. So all these flight service providers, they are having the API with Make My Trip. Not only flight, all these services, hotels, holiday packages, trains, buses, everything. Everybody will have the API. So now that is the trending. You should have the knowledge of API, CAI, that we are going to cover completely in our session. Okay. Any other session, anyone? Any other questions? Yeah, thank you all. Thank you all. Any other questions if you have, you can ask, or you can stop now.